Hello, my name is Marcus and I'm the founder of the Wawazen Waterwall School, and in this video I'm going to show you why this water wall failed to do a proper air humidification while this water wall perfectly replaced two humidifiers. So first of all, I want to show you the experiences we have is that usually you will have 3 to 5 liters evaporation per square meter per 24 hours operating water walls. So, but the real evaporation is depending on the water temperature. So, the speed of the water, air temperature, the air movement, and the ventilation system. So, in this first example, which I have showed you, this one we have around about 1.4 square meters evaporation, so a surface. So we would have expected 4 or 5 liters evaporation because actually the customer suffered from dry air, but it did not. We had only 2.5 liters evaporation, and we asked ourselves, why is it so? So in a short, this system here has its technical tank in the basement. The basement is cooler than the area in the apartment where the water wall runs, which means this water is permanently cooled a little bit down. This is the first factor which is reducing the evaporation. Second factor is that, as you can see, it's a very thin water wall, so we had to let the water run very, very slowly, because if we would increase the amount of water, we would have noise and splashes. So this means we have a lower amount of water getting in contact with the air. That's the second factor why the evaporation in this case was pretty low. Third factor is that the air movement is maybe not so super duper, and also they have a ventilation system which maybe is also reducing the evaporation at all. So the other example here, it is a pretty big apartment, and the customer here also suffered from dry air. As I remember, he was using 2 or 3 humidifiers, and he could replace them all by using this water wall. This water wall has around about 2.3 evaporation square meters evaporation surface, but it did a great job. We do not have a ventilation system here. The pump and the water treatment is in the same room, and don't forget, the pump itself is also creating a little bit of temperature, which increases the temperature here. I'm sorry, I cannot tell you the exact amount of water evaporated. I just can tell you that this humidification attempt was a success, as the customer was able to replace 2 humidifiers. So when you consider to use a water wall to in order to increase the air humidification, you should take a look at these factors, and maybe first do a test before you do the installation to be sure that your water wall is going to cover the humidification you need. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you join our Waterwall School, and see you soon there. Thank you. Bye bye.